Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best aquarium hood that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Marineland LED Light Aquarium Hood. The Marineland LED Light Hood for aquariums comes in 3 sizes and is designed to fit most regularly manufactured aquariums. The sleek and contemporary design includes LED lighting, which is integrated securely into the hood. It remains securely positioned even when the hood is open. The light provides the aquarium with natural shimmering light and has a night light effect. The hood itself is hinged, providing easy and safe access to the aquarium once the hood is in place. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aqueon Deluxe Aquarium Hood. The Aqueon Aquarium Black 24 inches Fluorescent Deluxe Full Hood by All Glass Aquariums is a lightweight aquarium hood that is designed to fit most aquariums. The hood includes a T8 lamp and splash guard. It also includes a full-length door and plastic breakout sections in the back of the hood. The hood sits on the inside lip of the aquarium frame, meaning it can greatly reduce evaporation from your aquarium. At number 3, we have the Aqueon LED Background Aquarium Hood. Available in 4 different sizes, the Aqueon LED Background Hood is a basic LED aquarium hood that is designed with the health and safety of your aquarium pets in mind. High-quality materials are used in the construction of its sleek design. The LED light runs the length of the hood and is covered by a clear plastic splash guard. At number 2, we have the Perfecto Aquarium Hood. If you are looking for something a little different for your aquarium, the Perfecto Manufacturing RO1929 Glass Canopy Aquarium Hood might be just what you need. The clear glass canopy gives easy access to the aquarium, while also providing a safe and convenient place to secure your lighting. The vinyl strip, double-sided tape, and handle that are included can be used to customize the setup to best suit your individual needs. And finally at number 1, we have the Aqueon All Glass Aquarium AUG 21248 Fluorescent Deluxe Hood. Whether you need to replace an older, broken aquarium hood or you're just looking for something new, the Fluorescent Deluxe Hood by All Glass Aquarium is a great choice for a fitted aquarium hood that will suit most popular aquarium brands. The hood is designed to fit into the aquarium, sitting just inside your chosen product on the lip of the aquarium. By sitting in this position, the Fluorescent Deluxe Hood can help reduce the typical evaporation that escapes from your aquarium. The back of the Deluxe Hood also has areas for your aquarium filter to feed through. The 3 tube lights across the hood give off an incredibly bright light, perfect for any aquarium that requires a 48-inch hood. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon